How many candies are there in the tube? Can you guess? 10 candies, 20 candies, or 30 candies? Let's count. There are 32 candies in the tube. Em português, há 32 doces no tubo. And the yellow candy, how many? There is one yellow candy. Em português, há doce amarelo. What about the brown candies? How many brown candies are there? There are 3 brown candies. Em português, há 3 doces marrons. And the red candies. How many red candies are there? There aren't any red candies. Em português, não há doces vermelhos. There is and there are mean. Haver, ter em português. O verbo haver, ter e existir em inglês é there is, there are. But what's the difference between there is and there are? Let's have a look at the first example. There is one yellow candy. How do you say that in Portuguese? Há doce amarelo. There is affirmative and singular. There is one. There are 3 brown candies. Em português, há 3 doces marrons. There are is affirmative, but plural. There are 3. Another example. There isn't any red candy. Em português, não há nenhum doce vermelho. There isn't is negative and singular. There isn't any. There aren't any red candies. Em português, não há doces vermelhos. There aren't is negative, but plural. There aren't any. Is there any red candy? Is there is interrogative and singular. It's a question. Is there? Another example. Are there any red candies? Em português, há doces vermelhos? Are there is interrogative, but plural. Are there? Como você pode observar, o verbo haver, existir e ter, em inglês, tem diferentes formas. Então vamos ver o resumo desse verbo. There is affirmative and singular. There are is also affirmative, but plural. There isn't is negative and singular. That aren't is negative, but plural. Is there is interrogative and singular. Are there is interrogative, but plural. Let's practice pronunciation now, students. Repeat after me, please. There is. There are. There isn't. There aren't. Is there? Are there? Great job, students. I hope you know how to use the verb there is and there are in English. But if you have any question, raise your hand. Any questions? Okay, click next button below and let's do more exercises. Good luck!